Hey, it is February 19th, 2026, and I just finished my ensuite bathroom. We got some shelves I gotta put up here. I made these shelves, and here's my ensuite bathroom. So completely renovated. This is porcelain tile, real porcelain tile. New cabinet, and I cut and built these wood live edge pieces here. They're epoxied. Put some blue pigment down here. New plug, new light, LED light, and this goes over top of the toilet here. Two-tiered system. I put some blue metallic pigment in there. Look like kind of water drops. Shaped and cut that. Actually works. This here is a bidet toilet I put in. Cold water though, but here's the switch. Oops. And then here's the actual surround bathtub. This is real brick veneers. Took forever. Sunk it in niche. Rainfall jet forest shower. There we go. Bunch of different settings. I don't want to do the jet, so I'll get splashed here. And for the finale, this is a new shower curtain style. Look at that, man. Look at that. And sunken in medicine cabinet. Towel rack.